Let's learn how to divide the number 49 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this 9 here. Now we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left, so we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 1. Now again see that this 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And now we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, that is why we need to stop. Therefore, 49 divided by 2 is equal to 24.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.